Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am coming on to show you guys how I make my 3-ingredient DIY face mask. So this face mask is hydrating and it's nourishing to the skin, and it's just really simple and it's quick, and I mean, I like it. Anything that's moisturizing for my skin is, it's just awesome. So I'm gonna get right into it and show you guys how to make it. Okay guys, so I am back now. And this is a half an avocado. So the recipe calls for half an avocado, a tablespoon of honey, and a handful of oats. I don't know if you guys can see this. Either oats or like an oat bran. So the first thing that I usually do is I just kind of mash my half an avocado. Have it nice and smooth. I don't want like big chunks in it. I'm not eating it. I'm using it in the mask, so I really don't. I want it as smooth as I can get it. Okay, this looks pretty smooth. And then I'm going to put in my tablespoon of honey. If I can open it. And then I'm going to get a handful of my oats. And there's a handful. And I'm just going to mix it together. I'll blend it all up. It's kind of like a paste, you know, except for the oat part. The oats kind of make it chunky. And that is it. It is just that simple. And I like these kind of simple, quick, fast face masks, because this is the kind of stuff that you have in the kitchen and you just want to do a quick moisture face mask, and you can just put it together. It's just like really simple. You don't have to go out and, you know, spend a whole lot of money to get a face mask. But yeah, so this is it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a face mask real quick, and I'll be right back. I am back and I have my mirror. And I have my face mask, and I was just going to demonstrate it for you guys real quick. I have like stripped my makeup, my foundation off, because I was doing some more taping earlier. And I probably should have changed out of this white shirt because I don't want it to be messed up in green. But yeah, I just kind of pack it on. So if you use like if you use the oatmeal mask before, you know that it kind of gets flaky and it kind of comes off a little. But yeah, I just really try to pack it on. And again, I should not. It's like going down my shirt. I should have not done this in a white shirt because it'll dye it. So hold on a second, guys. Give me just one moment. Okay, I'm back, guys. Yeah, that white shirt thing wouldn't have been good. But yeah, I just kind of pack it on, and it gets really messy. I don't normally do this in my room. I do it in the bathroom, but this is pretty much what it looks like. And then I just leave it on for about 30 minutes. You actually have enough that you can share, like with, you know, with friends, or do kind of like a girls' night thing. But again, it's sloppy. It's really sloppy, you guys. But I like the results because it gives you the moisture and it's like nourishment for your skin. But yeah, so this is it. And I am gonna finish packing on a little more, and I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes is really my max. I don't really use it, you know, I don't leave it on for any longer. But yeah, so this is it. And it's simple, it's 3 ingredients. And I mean, it's really inexpensive, but it really, really works as far as nourishing your skin and moisturizing your skin. And you really can't beat it for what it does for your skin. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below what face mask you've been using lately. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.